In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Instagram Reels audio, sound only, as an MP3 file. First, open Instagram on your phone and find the reel whose audio you want to save. Let the reel play for a second to make sure it's the right sound. Once you're sure, look for the three dots icon, usually located on the right side or bottom of the reel. Tap on that to open more options. From the menu that appears, choose the option to copy the link. This saves the reel's URL to your clipboard, which we'll use in the next step. Now open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, search for a reliable Instagram reel to MP3 converter. You'll find several sites that do this for free. Choose one that looks clean and simple, without too many pop-ups or ads. When the page loads, you'll usually see a text box that says something like, "Paste Instagram link here." Tap inside that box and paste the link you just copied from Instagram. After pasting the link, look for a button that says Download, Convert, or something similar, and tap it. The website will process the reel for a few moments. Once the conversion is done, you should see an option specifically to download the audio as an MP3 file. Make sure it says MP3, not video. Tap the MP3 download button, and your phone or computer will begin downloading the file. Depending on your device, the audio will usually be saved in your Downloads folder or your default media folder. On a phone, you might find it in your Files app or your Music or Audio section. On a computer, check the Downloads folder. Once the file is saved, you can rename it to something that helps you remember what it is, like the song title or the creator's name. From here, you can play the MP3 with any music player app, import it into your video editor, or organize it inside a playlist. Just remember to respect copyright and only use the audio in ways that follow the platform's and the creator's rules. And that's it. You've successfully turned an Instagram Reel sound into an MP3 file that you can listen to and reuse whenever you need.